Fancy a boat tour on Lake Como? Come with us. We'll take you there. Open the Google Play or the Apple App Store. Search for the Boater app and download it. Open the app on your smartphone, a boat tour, or a water taxi. Select the experience you'd like. Okay, let's choose a boat tour. There's a wide range of experiences designed, organized by departure point and by type of tour. Nature, culture, or a mix of both. Each experience shows you the tour details and the starting price. Requesting your booking is very easy. Select the date and time you'd like to enjoy the experience. Please note, you must select a date at least 24 hours before your booking date. Would you like to go alone or with someone else? Choose the number of passengers joining you on the boat. Perfect! Now all you have to do is confirm and wait to receive offers from our boater captains. Oh, here's one already. Tap it to view the boater captain's offer. It's a great offer. The boat is beautiful and the price is just right. Want to make a counteroffer? Here you go. Enter your offer and send it. Fantastic! The boater captain has accepted your counteroffer. Now it's your turn to confirm the experience. Excellent! Now, all that's left is for me to wish you an amazing time with Boater.